how to achieve anything you really desire. How to manifest, a guide to willing your dreams to come true in 2022. Manifesting is the process of giving your goals life through thought, action, emotions, and belief. How to manifest. Your entire life is a manifestation of the thoughts that run through your mind. This is a quote made famous by Rhonda Byrne, an Australian television producer and author who released her best-selling self-help book, The Secret, in 2006. The book went on to sell over 30 million copies, gain a slew of celebrity fans including Oprah Winfrey, Will Smith, and Ellen DeGeneres, and serve as the foundation for manifestation practices seen around the world today. However, manifesting, which is essentially willing into existence, is not a new phenomenon. Manifesting is all about believing that our thoughts are energy. According to the law of attraction, which was part of the New Thought movement and theorized by 19th century spiritualist Phineas Quimby, the concept has its roots in a variety of philosophical and religious traditions, ranging from Hermeticism and Transcendentalism to Hinduism, and has been expanded on by a number of 20th century theorists, including Napoleon Hill, Think and Grow Rich in 1937, and Louise Hay, You Can Heal Your Life, 1984. Simply put, manifesting seeks to put the individual in control of their own lives, holding them accountable for both positive and negative outcomes. So it's no surprise that after the last 2 years of the coronavirus pandemic, lockdown restrictions, and uncertainty about the state of our physical and mental health, manifesting has seen a massive surge in popularity among those looking to reclaim control. For example, Google searches for the term manifestation have steadily increased since 2017, peaking in July 2020 at the height of the pandemic. A quick search on social media reveals that the hashtag manifestation has been tagged over 6.5 million times on Instagram and over 13.3 billion times on TikTok, with the now famous 369 manifestation method becoming a particularly popular trend in 2021. So how to manifest? Several celebrities have even spoken out in recent months about how they manifested their dreams to become a reality. Swiss Beats told Architectural Digest in November last year that he and his wife Alicia Keys were low-key manifesting the purchase of their California home after saving a picture of the building as his phone screensaver for 8 years. Meanwhile, singer Ariana Grande told TV host Jimmy Fallon that she believes she has a weird manifesting gift, which could explain her meteoric rise to fame and success in recent years. However, for us mere mortals with type A personalities, the idea of manifesting can be extremely intimidating. After all, how can you put positive thinking into action and make your dreams a reality if you don't have a concrete plan of action? And, like yoga and meditation, does manifestation necessitate time away from one's daily routine, or does it necessitate a complete lifestyle change? Manifesting puts the individual in control of their own life. To delve deeper into manifestation, we spoke with a variety of experts from psychology, life coaching, and the wellness industry to learn what manifesting means to them. How can we manifest something into reality, and the common misconceptions about the practice that may harm its reputation. So, what exactly is manifesting? Contrary to popular belief, manifesting is all about believing in something in order to see it come your way. Manifesting is the ability to use your mind's power to change and create the reality you experience. According to life coach Grace McMahon, the success rate of manifesting is entirely dependent on the individual and does not work for everyone. But we do not need to hold ourselves accountable when it comes to meeting goals and aims. Otherwise, we tend to put things off or drop them when it doesn't happen for us. What are the steps involved in manifesting? If you're not used to taking time out to sit with your thoughts, the prospect of embarking on your manifesting journey may make you want to flee to the hills. Rather than immediately spending a fortune on bullet journals, fancy-looking felt-tip pens, or panicking at the side of a yoga mat, Nafausi believes that manifesting begins with an individual gaining clarity on how they truly want their life to look and feel 6 months or a year from now. For some, this may be accomplished by creating a vision board, similar to what you'd seen in a meeting room, complete with key phrases, timelines, and images. Others may benefit from visualization meditation. Experts' key advice on manifestation. Manifesting is a practice that benefits literally every aspect of your life because it empowers you to become the best version of yourself that exists. Embody the person you most want to become and assist you in unlocking the infinite potential that you have to create the life of your dreams. Previous research has also found that the ability to visualize events before they occur can aid in decision making, allowing the decision maker to eliminate options that would be less successful. It's critical to practice gratitude. Gratitude will assist you in shifting your mindset from lack to abundance, which means you'll choose to focus your energy on what you have rather than what you don't. Assuming that positive thinking will result in positive experiences is a reductionist approach that appears to ignore the reality that not all of our thoughts are positive. We must hold ourselves accountable when it comes to meeting goals and objectives. Otherwise, we tend to put things off or abandon them when they do not occur for us. If you want to attract money into your life, but have negative emotions and limiting beliefs about money, you're actually blocking it from coming into your life. The same is true for manifesting love, success, or anything else. So, how to manifest? According to Starr, there are several steps in which an individual should concentrate in the early stages of manifesting. Know what you want to manifest. Make a list of everything you want to manifest and be as specific as possible. If you want to manifest more money, for example, be specific. How much money do you want to manifest? When do you want to acquire this amount? How does it feel to have this abundance of money in your life? And what would you do with the money? Write down exactly what you want on a piece of paper and imagine how you'd feel if you achieved your goals. Allow your emotions to run wild and record them all. 2. Improve your mindset. Make an effort to overcome your limiting beliefs and align your mindset with your goals. If you want something but don't believe you're worthy of it, you'll put it off until later. 3. Take heartfelt action toward your objectives. Put in whatever effort you can to move you closer to your goal and leave the rest to the universe. Making actionable goals that are realistic to fulfill and achieve, whether it's going on a daily walk to eventually reach your 10-kilometer run goal, or reaching out to prospective employers, or anyone else you want to reach out to via email if you want to change careers, start a new job or business, or get advice from mentors. Number 4, exercise gratitude. Be grateful for what you already have and grateful for the wonderful blessings that are yet to come. 5. Increase your vibration. Yoga, meditation, exercise, a plant-based diet, surrounding yourself with positive, inspiring people, sleeping and waking early with 8 hours of sleep, listening to self-development podcasts, journaling, and practicing gratitude are some of the best practices I recommend that help raise vibrations. 6. Be receptive and open. Where attention goes, energy flows. Give loving energy to whatever helps you achieve your goals. When you're in this state of flow, you'll start to attract more of the right people and situations to help you achieve your goals. And, in time, you will find yourself walking through doors you once hoped would open. When and how should you show up? We're all guilty of wanting instant gratification in today's tech-driven world, whether it's ordering a delivery to your door in under an hour or using an express checkout. However, just as therapy and exercise do not produce immediate results, manifesting is a slow-burning practice that requires dedication and patience. How to manifest? People frequently say, "I've been manifesting 20 minutes a day," but manifesting is not something you do. Manifesting is a self-development practice that should be followed. It is a way of life. While rituals are part of the manifesting process, the self-development coach believes that true manifestation is a daily practice of aligning your behavior, realizing your worth, stepping outside your comfort zone, being resilient to changes, embracing gratitude, surrendering, trusting, and being proactive in the making your dreams happen. Manifesting benefits almost every aspect of your life. To begin, Sandman recommends that those interested in manifestation begin their day with a dedicated breathwork, visualization, and gratitude practice, and end their day with the creation of a vision board to help amplify the process.